Hello. Last time we have seen linear search. Now we are going to see binary search. Hash include stdio.h then code main here we will take variables int c, then low, high, mid, n, k, array of 100, suppose size 100, t, p, two variables, then printf /n, enter number of elements in array or size of array, scanf, percentage d, and n. Here n is the size of array, then printf then enter the elements to the array, for here we are taking n number of elements to the array. So for C is equal to 0, C less than N, C plus plus, then scanf, percentage D, and A of N here. Suppose user has entered a random numbers. First, we should have to sort that array in ascending order. So for integer, suppose for sorting, here we are taking two variables, two for loops. For integer I equal to 0, I less than N, I plus plus, then again we will take second for loop. For C equal to 0, C less than N, C plus plus, if A of C is greater than A of C plus 1, then A of C is equal to T, here T is equal to A of C, then A of C is equal to A of C plus 1, A of C plus 1 so A of C plus 1 is equal to T, then complete if bracket, complete inner for bracket, complete outer for bracket. This is sorted array we want to display. So for displaying, here printf statement, printf the sorted array is then for C equal to 0, C less than N, C plus plus, then printf percentage D A of C this is the sorted array displayed. Then printf /n, enter the search key or enter the element to be searched. Scanf percentage D and suppose your search key is K, then here we should have to declare low is equal to 0, low is equal to 0, then high is equal to n minus 1, and mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2 then file here we should have to compare, check the condition, that is low is less than equal to high. If this condition is true, then here again you should have to check if low, if A of mid if A of mid is equal to search key K. If this is a true, then printf /n, then percentage D is found at location percentage D so percentage D is found, that is K is found at location, that is N plus 1 at mid plus 1. If this condition becomes false, if this condition becomes true, then execute this statement. Particular search key is found at this location, and break this loop. And if this condition becomes false, then go to the else statement. Else if, then check this condition. A of mid is less than k. If A of mid is less than k, if this condition is true, then here low is equal to mid plus 1. Otherwise, that is else, high is equal to mid minus 1. Then before closing while loop, find once again mid with the new values. Mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Then closing of while loop. Then suppose first while loop becomes false, that is low is less than equal to high. This condition becomes false, that is you should have to check next condition. If low is greater than high, then you should have to print number is not found. then get ch, then bracket complete. Okay, this is the code for binary search. See the code carefully once again. Here you have declared a variables c, low, high, mid, n, k, then array of size suppose 100, then variable t and variable p. Here you should have to enter the user size, that is array size from user. Okay, you have entered array size through keyboard as n. Then here enter elements to the array. So for c is equal to 0, c less than n, c plus plus, then scanf percentage d a of n. So for integer I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If enter the array is unsorted, you should have to sort in ascending order first. So for ascending order, here a written code as for integer I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Then for c equal to 0, c less than n, c plus plus. Then check a of c is greater than a of c plus 1. Then interchange, that is t is equal to a of c. A of c is equal to a of c plus 1 and a of c plus 1 is equal to t. Okay, then here you should have to display the sorted array. So the sorted array is, so for c is equal to 0, c less than n, c plus plus. So printf percentage d a of c. Then enter the element which you want to be search, that is scanf percentage d and k. Then here you have declared a low is equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1. Then first find mid is equal to low plus high divided by 2. Then first check low is less than equal to high. If this is a true, then enter in while loop. Then check first condition, if a of mid is equal to search key. If this condition is becomes true, then execute this statement, that is a search key is found at particular location. This message is displayed, and break this loop and go out of the statement. If this condition becomes false, go to the else statement, and there is a condition, if a of mid is less than search key, yes. If this is a true, then low is equal to mid plus 1. If this is a false, then execute next else statement, that is high is equal to mid minus 1. And then find new mid, low plus high is less than 2. If you found new mid, then again go to the while loop and again check this condition, low is less than equal to high. If this statement is true, then enter in while loop. If this condition becomes false, that is low is less than equal to high becomes false, then don't enter in the while loop. So go to the next statement, that is if low is greater than high. If this condition is true, then it will execute the statement number is not found in given array and then stop. This is the code for binary search. enter size of array, that is suppose 5. Enter elements to the array, suppose enter the elements 5, 2, 8, 3, 4. Wait a minute. Hello, we'll see where is the ambiguity in next lecture. We stop here.
We can left, sir.
Hello,
We can left.
yes.